April 1st, 2024, 19 hours, 3 minutes, 37 seconds.
Akron Police and Fire, Harrison.
Hi, I was calling because I'm walking my dog, and there is a guy walking down Newton Street, and he was aiming a gun at people's houses. He pulled it out and was like acting like he was going to shoot their houses as he was walking by.
And you saw the gun?
Yeah, it was a black.
Where
I don't
on
know any
Newton
kind.
Street?
I'm on Tonawanda, and he was crossing. I stayed back because I didn't want my dog to bark, and then when I crossed the street and I was like crossing on the Newton side, I saw him pull the gun out.
Okay, which way is he on Newton Street?
He was last time I saw him. Yeah, I'm
Going
still on
which way?
Tonawanda. Going away from the Circle K, so like away from
Going
the Disney
towards.
Nature Park.
Okay, going towards
Sumatra.
the reservoir.
Away from it. He was going towards Sumatra, Morning View, like that direction.
Okay, so going towards the reservoir.
I don't know where the reservoir is. I don't know where that is, but.
Okay. White or black male?
Black male, shorter dreads. He has a black hoodie on, and it has like Adidas or something written on the back. And the gun was like a little bit bigger than a pistol. It had like, I don't know guns. It had a long end. But he was aiming it at people's houses and like turning it sideways and acting like he was shooting him. No. But I was just walking my dog, but I wasn't going to do anything, obviously, until he pulled that gun out.
Was he with anybody?
No, he was alone.
Moments later, at approximately 7:11 p.m., a responding officer located the subject matching the caller's description, walking on Britain Road near the corner of Ottawa Avenue. The officer stopped his marked police car to investigate. As the officer began to exit his patrol car, he quickly issued a verbal command for the male to show his hands. Seconds later, the officer discharged his firearm one time, striking the male in the hand after observing the subject with what appeared to be a gun in his hand.
Where are you coming from? Can I see your hands real quick? Oh,
Hey,
shit.
hey, it's fake. It's
Shots
fake.
fired. Shots fired.
It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake.
Shots fired.
It's
Drop to
fake.
the ground. Drop to the ground.
It's fake.
Drop to the ground.
It's fake.
Drop to the
It's
ground.
fake.
Drop to the ground.
It's fake. It's fake. I promise.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
It's fake.
All right, man. I'm here.
Oh, shit, my hand hurts. Bro, I'm hurt from my head, bro.
All right, let's get him medical treatment.
Listen, I wanted to be safe. I just called.
Get the cuffs off.
Do I still got my pinky?
Yeah, can you start with the
refuse? Please, sir, please.
Just relax, man. Relax.
Please. It's fake. It's fake. It's a fake gun. I promise.
Get the gun's right there. Just
I was scared, bro.
Hey, tourniquet. Tourniquet now. Tourniquet. You hit. Where you hit?
Oh, my hand. You can't see it? My hand.
Get a tourniquet on his. Yes. It's an officer involved.
All right, man. You gotta go over there.
Just I'll help you with medical.
Oh my goodness. Please, sir.
You'll be all right, man. It's just in the arm.
I just wanted to be saved. My head.
Hey, someone notify radio. This is officer.
Bro, please, bro. Bro, please, bro.
Make it.
This is gonna hurt.
It's good. It's good. I don't got nothing on me.
No, this is just. I'm telling you, this is gonna hurt because I gotta crank this thing.
I'm just coming from home. I came from my cousin's funeral and everything. Oh my God. Oh my God.
In his arm. Just make sure. That's all we need. I don't know if they're gonna need to get this off.
I don't see anything in his back. You feel like you're hit anywhere else, man?
No, it's my hand. Please,
sit down.
Officer, please.
We got paramedics coming, man.
I'm a good kid, bro. I get A's in school. I play football. I just wanted to be safe. My cousin just died.
You're gonna be all right, man.
You're all right, man.
Get a perimeter set up. Yeah. You're good. Can we get access to that? You got that okay to roll them over and sit them up and let them elevate that hand? Yeah. Got the tourniquet.
I can't feel my hand.
Yeah, I got the tourniquet on, man. I'm not going to be able to.
Hey, it's because you got a tourniquet on, man. All right. Well, let's get him up. Right. Go ahead. Can you roll over on your butt? Can you roll over on your butt? We're gonna roll you this way.
My hand.
All right, don't grab that. It's not that much. Just have a seat. All right, just relax. Hey, just elevate your hand. All right, just elevate it. You're good, bro. You're not
My granny lived down the street, bro. My granny lived down the street, bro.
Immediately following the shooting, officers secured the crime scene and rendered emergency first aid, which included applying a tourniquet to the male's arm. The subject was later transported to an area hospital and underwent treatment for a non-life-threatening injury. The officer involved is a 9-year member of the Akron Police Department. Per departmental policy, he has been placed on paid administrative leave. Following the incident, the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigations was called and will conduct an independent investigation, which is underway. After the investigation, the case will be presented to the Ohio Attorney General's office for review before being submitted to the Summit County Grand Jury for evaluation. The Office of Professional Standards and Accountability will conduct a separate internal investigation. The results will be provided to the police chief and the City of Akron police auditor for their review.